What's going on, you homestead homies? Another day in the cabin. Guys, we are stuck in the cabin. It's windy, rainy, and muddy all over the place out there, so it's just not conducive for going outside. But you're in luck because we have enough gadgets in the house that we could probably keep talking about these for the rest of the year. But we won't do that. But one thing that we get a lot of is, what is that gadget? What is that thing on your stove? So in this video, I'm going to tell you guys about this. Again, it's another thing that we learned from the Amish, and I'm going to show you guys how it works. And maybe if you have a wood burning stove or something like that in your house, you could get one of these as well, because they are very beneficial. So what this thing is, it's called an eco fan. And it's in almost every Amish home that we know of, and they put it on top of their wood cook stoves, and what happens is the heat generates electricity. There's a cast iron bottom here, and it actually has some wires. See if I can show you that. Has some wires in it, and there's actually some kind of generator there that uses the heat, and then what happens is it causes the fan to move. I'll put this on the stove here and give you guys a look. Now, as you guys can see, as soon as I put it on there, it almost immediately started spinning. That plate at the bottom gets hot, and that's what causes the electricity in the fan. It is really a cool gadget, and it really actually moves the air from the stove. It pushes the hot air around the room because obviously the stove has mass, and it heats all around the stove, but this helps push the air all around the room, and we've actually noticed there is a difference when we use it. So it's as simple as that. It's another Amish gadget that we learned about because we live close by them and we're studying everything that they do. And if you guys want to get that, it's called an eco fan. I'll leave a link down below, and they come in two different sizes. This one is the smaller one of the two, and then they really push the air around the room. It helps distribute the hot air. So hopefully you found this video helpful. I'm just kind of going through some of the questions that you guys are always leaving on the videos down below in the comment section, and a bunch of people have just started asking about that, and they couldn't figure out what it was. And since we got this downtime, I thought I'd tell you guys what was up. So don't forget, like always, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Make sure that you have hit the subscribe button down below, hit the bell for notifications, and remember, in yesterday's video, I'll leave that link right there, make sure you put your subscription page as your bookmark YouTube first go-to. So as soon as you log on to YouTube, it goes right to your subscription page. You'll see all the videos of the people that you subscribe to, and right next to them, they'll have a number to it if you're using your mobile device. And even on your laptop, it'll show you how many videos they've uploaded that you have missed. So make sure you do that. It helps out all the YouTubers that you watch here on the platform. And as always, we'll see you guys on the next video.
Hey guys, thanks for watching our video. You might want to check out these videos.
And if you want to become a homestead homie, click the picture of us below.
We will see you tomorrow.